Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can delete multiple accounts on your Facebook. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's go ahead and get started. And first, open the Facebook app on your phone, then go to the menu section. Click on this sign, scroll to the bottom, and then tap Go to Account Center. Next, swipe to the very bottom, click Accounts, and then select the Facebook account you would like to delete and click Delete. Next, delete the account, and then you just need to confirm all the actions and follow the instructions in order to permanently delete this Facebook account. If you have more than one such account, then just do it a few times. This is the simple way, friends, you will be able to delete multiple accounts on your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel, give your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.